Grant Kekana is reportedly unhappy at Mamelodi Sundowns and has been linked with the move to PSL rivals Kaizer Chiefs. Kekana, the PSL defender of the season, has reportedly bumped heads with the Sundowns management over negotiations for a new deal. A briefly news source could not confirm the situation around Kekana, while the former coach Roland Mokoena said he was forced out of the club. He said, "As you can imagine, the club is facing a number of changes, so they cannot confirm anything right now. All that can be said is that the club is committed to keeping their high standards, which includes keeping new players and additions where needed." According to reports, Kekana's contract expires at the end of July and was offered 1-year extension, which he rejected. Local football fans took to social media to say cracks are beginning to show at the PSL champions, while others believe Sundowns will face Al Hilal in a friendly can handle losing stars. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.